For all of us, food is one of life's greatest pleasures. But more than that, food fuels our body with energy and various nutrients that are essential for proper body function. Hi, this is Dr.Rajani Chinni. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about healthy lifestyle for a happy living. Here in this video, I'm going to explain what is gut health and how to maintain a healthy gut. These days, we are coming across gut health in the field of nutrition and lifestyle medicine. Gut health is not just about digestion. Gut health has so much more than digestion of food and absorption of nutrients. It also impacts our mood, mental health, and various other body functions. Gut health refers to the balance of microorganisms that live in the digestive tract. These microorganisms are called gut microbiome or gut flora. The gut microbiome refers to the billions of live bacteria humans have in the gut, but it also includes things like fungi and viruses. It is estimated that the gut contains approximately 35,000 different strains of bacteria. The majority are found in large intestine, particularly the colon, but bacteria can also be found in the esophagus, stomach, and small intestine too. This may include a mixture of both friendly and harmful bacteria. The total surface area of our gut is approximately equal to half of the badminton court. The internal lining of our intestines is designed to absorb water and nutrients from our food into our bloodstream. If our gut bacteria are happy and well fed, our gut lining will be healthy and ready to protect us. Our gut health is totally dependent on this intestinal lining and gut microbiome. When we possess good gut health, we experience good digestion, regular pain-free bowel movements, consistent energy, feel an overall sense of well-being, healthy immune response, low levels of inflammation, improved heart function, healthy blood sugar levels, mental clarity, improved mood level, and much more. An unhealthy gut will have an equally opposite effect. Poor lifestyle habits and consuming processed junk food results in bad bacteria growth that can damage our intestinal lining, which can further lead to various health consequences. This shows that a healthy gut is the key to enjoying a healthy and happy life from inside out. Let's understand easy ways to improve our gut health for a vibrant living. Proper hydration, that is drinking adequate amount of water. For this, you can check my previous videos mentioned in detail on hydration. Consume vegetable-rich diet in every meal as it is loaded with fiber that feeds good bacteria in the gut. Eat fruits instead of fruit juices. Include as many seasonal varieties of colorful fruits and vegetables as you can. Avoid taking antibiotics frequently. Avoid processed junk food. Minimize the intake of sugar and sweeteners. Avoid overeating and late-night dinners. Reduce stress. Exercise regularly. Ensure good night's sleep, minimum of 6 to 8 hours a day. Consume fermented foods like curd, Kanji, Sauerkraut, fermented vegetables, kefir, and Tempeh. We can also prefer to use prebiotic and probiotic supplements under a professional guidance. So take necessary steps to take care of your good gut bacteria to lead a vibrant, healthy living. For more videos on good health, stay tuned to my channel. If you like this video, subscribe and share with others. Click thumbs up and tap the bell icon to get regular updates of my videos. Thank you so much.